The lock I have today is a Securemme K2. It's a 10-pin dimple lock. Securemme. Securemme is an Italian lock company. It was formed by a guy named Mario Maglizzetti or something like that. I don't know how to pronounce his last name. In 1967, and these locks are made entirely in Italy. They keep the whole production in house. So as you see, it's 10 pins. Dimple. There's no pin in pins. They're just regular pins. But I'll get this clamped up and pick it. I'm just going to be using a Z-bar and one of my dimple picks out of my spook set. Okay. Crap. Actually, you know what? Let me use a different tension. Okay. Okay, nothing on the right side. It's hard to kind of line up the left side, but okay, that was maybe 2 or 3 on the left side. That was 3 or 4 on the left side. Okay, that was 1 on the left side. Let me try the right side. Okay. Nothing yet on the right side. Back to the left. That was 2. Sorry, it's hard to get underneath some of these pins. Nothing on the right side still. Okay, and got 1 on the right side finally. I let up a little tension. Okay, I think that was 3. Okay, I think that was 4. And that was 5 and 6, I think. Okay. I set some of them, but I didn't announce all of them. As you see, it's picked. And I've never taken this apart, so if this takes me a while, I will just fast forward. Okay, that was a little bit of a mess, and I'm sure I shot a spring somewhere. Oh, there it is. Okay. Okay. These are all the drivers. These 2 rows are the drivers. There is 2 spools, and the rest of them are standards. These are little baby pins. This piece came out of somewhere. I gotta figure out. I think that just had something to do with this back actuator. Yeah, that's what that was. That was the little pin that comes out that locks in one of these spots. That's what that was. And these are the first 7 pins, and then the last 3, which makes 10. There's nothing special about them. They're not security pins or anything. This is the core. And you see these tiny little holes here. This tiny little ball. Shit, I lost another spring. This tiny little ball came out of one of those. I guess, I mean, it's got to be for drill protection, but I can't imagine what drill this little tiny ball is going to stop. So, yep, and that's all. 10 springs, 10 pins, 10 key pins, and the Securemme K2. Thanks for watching.